Hey guys, hello to you all. We're gonna do something new today. We're gonna play uh, hack the box, and we're gonna do the CTF is capture the flag blue. Okay, so let's start. This is my Linux machine, and I'm opening the terminal and sudo to root. Okay, and now what we're going to do is going to do the first part of any good cyber investigation. We're going to enumerate the target. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a tool that's called Nmap. Okay, so this is the Nmap command, and P stand for how intensive the amount of bytes it's going to send. This is standard scripts. Okay, and I'm gonna use this most important. I'm gonna use the VLAN and exploit the part so I can get the vulnerability there are actually according to the machine. So of course I'm going to give the IP that's been given to me by Hack the Box for the machine that I started. It's 10, 10, 10, 40, and the machine is called Blue. So now it's going to start the enumeration. And it's going to take a few minutes. And we already got some open ports on the machine. $145 is Microsoft Windows RCP, and 139 is Windows Nimbus, and 445 is open port that point out it might be Windows 7. So let's see. Sorry about that. I did something. I enumerate all the port, and I don't want to enumerate all them because it's going to take us all night. Okay. We got a lot of open port. And we're scanning those ports for any kind of foothold that we might gonna have in this machine. Okay, so now after the scan was finished, we can see that it find a vulnerability. Okay, so this vulnerability is MS17 009. So let's open the Metasploit. So now it's opening the Metasploit Framework. It's going to take a few seconds. And there we are. We are in Metasploit. It's going to take a second to get us a command. And let's search for this vulnerability that we found. This one. Okay, so I will do search and then the number of the vulnerability. So as we can see, we found EternalBlue. The machine named Blue. It's only logical that we are going to find this exploit. So let's use 0. And then it's of course going to open us the EternalBlue options. And let's do so options. Okay. And as we can see, we need to fill out our host, and so what we need to do is set our host is the computer that we want to hack to. So our host is 00040. Okay, if we do set options, we can see that it's set. Okay, and of course we need to set our own host. As you can see, is already set it automatically in here. Okay, and now all we need to do is start the exploit. So let's do it. Oh, and then you start the enumeration. And we are in, of course, in the Meterpreter. Okay, so let's do sysinfo. And we can see this is Windows 7. Of course, it's vulnerable to EternalBlue. So let's get ID. Okay, so as we can see, we are already an admin. So, okay, this is the directory that we are in. So I guess let's do and here because we are in Windows. Okay, as we can see, we got here we are inside the root of the Windows computer. So now we need to get the flag. So the users, okay, and here and the here. I guess it's going to be on the desktop. Okay, here it is. So let's check. Yeah, we got the flag. Let's submit this flag. Okay, and now we need to go to the root. So let us do cd, yeah, here, okay, cd users, administrator, here, and of course we go to the desktop. Here, indeed. Here. And we got here the root. So let's check the root. And here we got the second flag. And this was really, really easy. Okay. So next time I'll do something more difficult, but it was fun. So let me know if you like this. And if you like it, I'll do more of them. Okay. So see you in the next one.